Guys, welcome to my channel. So today my mom is going to be rating my fidgets. Okay, go ahead, Mom. Sorry about the noise in the back.
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Okay. By the way, she has very pretty nails. Okay. Oh, that's okay. Okay, what do you rate it?
5 out of 10.
5 out of 10. Okay. Oops. Okay.
6 out of 10.
Okay. I got that one from Easter. Sorry about the noise in the back again.
8 out of 10.
Okay. Oh. It shows like moods and little puppets.
6 out of 10.
Okay. By the way, I have more fidgets. So. Here, let me fix that. Okay.
Eight out of 10.
Okay. So that's all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And make sure to subscribe, comment, and like. I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.